Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for this week edition. Last week we looked at the three types of advertising and we learned that informative form of advertising is to educating, then persuasive is to convincing, and lastly competitive is to comparing between two or more products in order to make a superior or a better buying decision. This week we need to add more to our learning, and I shall be discussing the methods of advertising. Universally and basically, there are two kinds of method. One, the direct method. This is a kind of advertising strategy that focuses on a particular group of people. It is called the specific method or the somebody method. Now, let's take a look at the graphics for a better illustration. From the graphics, we could see two groups of people. One, those in the blue are called the unintended advertising audience. Then those in the red are called the intended advertising audience. It could be in terms of their age, their gender, their interest, their education, or their occupation, even much more their location. Two, we also have what is called the indirect method. This is a kind of procedure or advertising strategy that focuses on everybody. It is called the generic method, or much more the everybody's method. Now, let's take a look at the second graphics for a better or a deeper understanding. From the second graphics, we could see a group of people, using their face masks, irrespective of their color, their height, their age, their gender, their interest, their location, their occupation, or their education. Remember, at the peak of the pandemic, a lot of government of the world educated and instructed their citizens on the use of face masks and sanitizing, even much more maintenance of social distancing. Now, this shows that the government was engaging in an indirect form of advertising. So we learned so far from all this explanation that direct form of advertising is specific, then the indirect form is generic. Much more, the direct form of advertising is for somebody, while the indirect form of advertising is for everybody. With this, we'll come to the end of our series for this week. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. See you in our next class.